Several online resources provide schematics for start, stop, and reset diagrams. These resources include information from manufacturers like Automation Direct, Rockwell Automation, Schneider Electric, Siemens, and Allen Bradley. The Automation Direct resource provides information on pages 27 and 28. The Rockwell Automation resource provides information on pages 22 and 23. The Schneider Electric resource provides a wiring diagram within a frequently asked questions document. The Siemens resource also includes a wiring diagram in its document. The Allen Bradley resource includes a wiring diagram on its product page. Typically, the reset button is wired in parallel with the stop button. When the reset button is pressed, it interrupts the power supply to the coil of the magnetic starter. This interruption causes the contacts to open and the motor to stop. The reset button is usually held closed by a spring. When it is released, the power supply is restored to the coil and the motor can be started again. An additional resource details how to wire a start, stop, and reset circuit. Another resource, Electrical Wiring for Industry and Commerce, may also be useful.